So we're making this little guy some overalls here, and in this round where you're making the straps, you're going to want to stop single crocheting when you reach the arms. In here, we're actually going to make the chain for the straps, so I'm going to make enough chains to go over the arms and to the other side, and it'll depend on how large your amigurumi is and what your tension is. But let me go ahead and count how many chains I'll have. So that's 1 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how it looks draped around. Let me do a little more. Here is 6. And I think 6 chains is about right for my amigurumi's overall strap. After you do your chains, you're going to skip a few stitches for the armhole. So I'm going to skip 1, 2, and let's see. I'd like to go into this next stitch over here. So in all, I've skipped 3 stitches for the armhole. That's 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm going to go into that next stitch and single crochet. And I'm basically going to just keep single crocheting around. If I'm not skipping stitches, I'm doing single crochets here. And I will pause when I reach the second arm. And for this second arm, I'm going to basically repeat the same thing as the other side. So I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to go ahead and skip 3 stitches underneath for the armhole. 1, 2, and 3 stitches. Go into that next stitch. Hold on, let me see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, going into this next one. And single crochet. And I'm going to single crochet until I reach the end of my round. And it's not clear, but it's right here where I'm going to join with a slip stitch to my first single crochet. And here I can go ahead and stop. I can snip off my yarn and weave in the ends. And voila, you've got your little overall straps done for your amigurumi. Be sure to follow the pattern. I'll put the link in the description box, and this little guy can have removable, as you can see, it's removable overalls. So you can go ahead and actually take the straps off like so and pull off the overalls. And when you're ready to put them on again, they should slide on the little body just fine. Alright, hope this tutorial for making the overall straps was helpful.